In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wix form submission email address. By the end, you'll know exactly where to update the email that receives your form notifications, whether you're using a brand new form or updating an existing one. Start in the Wix editor. On the left toolbar, click the Add Apps icon. In the search bar that appears, type Form. From the results, choose Forms and Payments by Wix. If you haven't added it to your site yet, click Add to Site. This installs the app and places a default form on your page so you can configure it right away. With the form selected, click Settings to open the Form Settings panel. If this is your first time setting up a form, you'll see options to choose a template. Pick a template that fits your needs if you want a quick starting point, or click Start from scratch if you prefer full control over every field. When you've made your choice, click Select Template. If there's already a form on the page, you may be asked to confirm by clicking Overwrite. This simply replaces the current form with your selected one on that page. It doesn't affect the rest of your site. Once the form is placed, you can edit the template you chose. Tweak the fields, labels, and design to match your brand and the information you need to collect. Next, open the email section within the form settings. Click Email to Form Admin. This is the notification that's sent to you or your team whenever someone submits the form. Look for the option labeled Send Submission Notifications To. In the email field, type the address where you want to receive those alerts. Use an inbox that's regularly monitored, and take a moment to double check for typos to avoid missed messages. If you're using a shared or role-based inbox, make sure it's allowed to receive external emails. When you're happy with the address you've entered, click Done to save your notification settings. That's the key change. Your form submissions will now be routed to the email you specified. A few quick tips to keep everything running smoothly. If you don't see notifications after changing the address, check your spam or promotions folder and mark messages as not spam so future emails land in your inbox. Also, if you have more than one form on your site, repeat this change for each form individually, since notification settings are configured per form. That's it. You've successfully updated where your Wix form submissions are sent, ensuring inquiries land exactly where you need them.